You turn the coloured side down, you bring the bottom corner up to the top, like so. So you end up with a triangle. Open it up and repeat. So I quite like having this extra fold in the tulip. I think it gives it kind of that tulipy dimension. You don't need to do this, but I think it looks nice, which means you've now got like this guideline. Now you take this corner and you simply fold it up. Now you turn it around and you just tuck the corners in. To do the stems, I'm going to turn it around that side to this side. You bring this edge into the center. Now to make it easy, I'm going to turn it around, and again I'm going to bring this side in. Now I'm going to turn it around again and bring this side in again. So that's the first one you did, the side you did first, you're going to fold in a second time. I've got a really nice long thin bit and a little fatter bit. Bring the thin bit, the top tip, all the way to meet the other tip. Fold it and pull it out a little bit. Snip just a little bit, not too much, just a little hole. And then you sneak it in, and there you have your easy paper tulip finish.